Ayan o. Parang kailan lang, andun ako sa posisyon na yun. Ayan. July 21, 2022. Andyan ako sa posisyon na yan, sa upuan na yan, for my final interview. Ayan. It was 10 p.m. And then the interview started at 11 p.m. Then nag-end siya ng 12. And they announced that all of us were hired. Ayun, ganun lang. Just reminiscing the past. Okay. Patabi lang siya ng Jollibee. At nandito kami for our final graduation. Aming training for another account. Ayan. Yun lang, guys. Just sharing my
Hotspot again.
sharing my daily activities.